Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
कमलदीप जी नमस्कार।
मैम गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are able to hear you.
Okay.
Good evening. Ma'am, good evening.
From tomorrow onwards, if your class starts at 7, all of you should join the link by 6:55 so that I can admit you all in the class by 7.
Ma'am, please repeat.
I'll just wait for 3-4 minutes more and then we will start the class because the students were supposed to be about 40-41 and only 16 have joined. Are you able to speak and unmute yourself or you're not able to do so? Okay, you're not able to unmute yourself. Give me 1 minute. Now try to unmute yourself. Now try. Rohani, Garima, now try to speak something. I think
Yes,
we are
yes, ma'am.
able.
Ma'am, yes, now we are able.
Ma'am, yes.
Anybody.
Ma'am, good evening.
I want somebody to speak.
Yes, ma'am, now
Ma'am,
we
good
are
evening.
able to unmute ourselves.
कमलदीप जी, आप मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी मैम,
Yes,
आ रही है
ma'am.
साउंड आपकी, क्लियर है साउंड।
अच्छा, मैं बच्चों को बोल रही हूँ बात करने के लिए, तो बात नहीं कर रहा, तो मैं थोड़ी कंफ्यूज हो गई थी। रोज तो इतना बोलते हैं, आप बोल नहीं रहे हैं, तो कहीं ऑडियो में
नहीं
प्रॉब्लम
नहीं,
ना हो।
क्लियर है आपकी साउंड।
अच्छा, अभी ना सिर्फ 17 बच्चों ने ज्वाइन किया है।
मैम ये थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि लास्ट जो अभी क्लास लगी है शशिकांत जी की ने,
हाँ
उसमें
जी।
भी 19 ही थे।
अच्छा, उसमें भी 90 ही थे, तो उन्हें ज्यादा चाहिए थे, जबकि मेरे हिसाब से तो।
अब 44 है वैसे इस ग्रुप में ना।
हाँ, वही तभी मैंने कहा थोड़ी वेट कर लेते हैं, थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन
नहीं,
तो नहीं
मुझे
कोई
या मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा ना, कई अभी 2-4 दिन तभी ज्वाइन ना कर रहे हो फीस पेमेंट के लिए, कि करके तब भी करते हैं ज्वाइन शायद।
अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है।
तो हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं,
ठीक है,
आप करते हैं ना।
ठीक,
वैसे
ठीक,
मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कोई आएगा लेट। शेड्यूल
हाँ,
हमने
ठीक है,
भेज दिया था, न्यू टाइम टेबल दे दिया है सभी को, है ना।
ठीक है, ठीक है जी, चलो फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं।
ठीक है, ओके।
Good evening, everybody. One of you
Good
tell me
evening.
now.
Ma'am,
Good evening.
ma'am.
One of you tell me that how many of you have come from the other group? I think most of you were earlier in group A. Only 1 or 2 students have come from group B. So all those who have come from group B, raise your hands. One, Ananya, okay. So I just have one student who has come from another group. So we can continue with the topic that we were doing, communication. We have already done all types of communication except for visual communication. Have we completed listening in this class?
Yes, ma'am. जी हमने सिलेक्शन के पहले की थी।
सिलेक्शन के पहले लिसनिंग की थी, उसके बाद लिसनिंग नहीं करवाई ना मैंने, फिर नहीं की है।
मैम आपने कम्युनिकेशन उसके बाद स्टार्ट नहीं करवाया था।
नहीं करवाया था ना, ठीक है।
Ma'am, yes. कराया नहीं था आपने start.
आज हम कम्युनिकेशन खत्म कर देंगे सारी। Who will tell me what is listening? Any one of you raise your hand and then I will name and you will answer. Okay, Kavya, tell me.
What is your question?
What is listening? You raised your hand without listening to the question.
जी may I?
Yes.
जी it is the ability to say correctly and receive messages in the communication process. Ma'am, and
Very
it is
good.
key to effective communications.
Very good.
It also avoids misunderstanding.
It doesn't provide, it avoids misunderstanding.
It avoids.
Yes, avoids. Okay. आप लोगों को मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
पीपीटी
Yes,
देख
ma'am.
पा रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी जो लिसनिंग
Yes,
की
ma'am.
स्लाइड ओपन है वो देख पा रहे हो ना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is
Yes, ma'am.
listening? Okay, fine. So what is listening? It is the ability to correctly and accurately receive and interpret messages in the communication process. How? So when we use sounds and words, in writing we used words. In verbal communication, we used words and sounds. Similarly, in listening, we use words and sounds both. So as we are using words and sounds, listening is also a type of
The communication.
which
Verbal
communication,
communication.
verbal or non-verbal?
Verbal
The
communication.
verbal communication.
Yes, it is a type of verbal communication because in listening we use words and sounds. शब्दों का आवाज के साथ प्रयोग किया जाता है अपनी बात को समझाने के लिए। लिसनिंग की प्रोसेस में हमेशा दो लोग होते हैं, एक जो बोल रहा है, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हमारे जानने वाला हो, टीवी पे भी कोई बोल सकता है, रेडियो पे भी कोई बोल सकता है, पर एक बोलेगा एक सुनेगा। लिसनिंग सिंगल नहीं हो सकती, आप गाने भी सुनते हो तो वो किसी ने गाया होता है। एक से ज्यादा लोगों में जब कम्युनिकेशन हो तभी लिसनिंग यूज की जाती है। जब जो राइटिंग होती है, रिटन कम्युनिकेशन होती है, वो सिंगल पर्सन राइट करता है, लिखता है, भेज देता है, बट लिसनिंग में दो लोगों की जरूरत होती है। एक अपने मैसेजेस सेंड करता है, दूसरा उसको रिसीव करता है, और अगर वो प्रॉपरली रिसीव हो जाते हैं, इंटरप्रेट हो जाते हैं करेक्टली, और हम समझ पाते हैं दूसरा हमें क्या कहना चाह रहा है, तो वो इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन होती है लिसनिंग के माध्यम से। ठीक है? What are the advantages of listening? Who will tell?
The may I?
You will only give all the answers. Let others also try.
May I?
Yes.
Avoids misunderstanding.
It's avoid misunderstanding.
Very good. Anybody else?
Ma'am, it is very fast. Ma'am, it is. Ma'am, it is fast.
Yes, it is very fast.
It saves times.
What?
Ma'am, it saves time.
Yes, it saves time.
It is
Okay.
very cheap.
Yes. So
It
all.
saves
Ma'am, it is money.
Yes, very good. It is having all the advantages that verbal communication
may I?
has. Yes, okay.
The full attention. It means we are giving respect to communicator.
Say again.
We are listening with full attention. It means we are communicating respect.
अब हिंदी में मुझे बताओ आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हो?
दी अगर हम किसी को अच्छे से फुल अटेंशन से सुन रहे हैं तो ये होता है कि हमसे रिस्पेक्ट से आदर दे रहे हैं।
हाँ ठीक है, जब हम अच्छे से किसी को सुनते हैं तो उसको लगता है that we are giving him full respect. Good. तो all the advantages जो verbal communication की होती हैं, listening की भी वही होती हैं, जैसे कि it saves time. Second is it is fast, it is quick. ये बहुत जल्दी किया जा सकता है.
easy to understand.
Yes, it avoids misunderstandings, as misunderstandings can be cleared at the same time. What are the disadvantages of listening? Who will tell
The
me?
other person can understand our feelings.
Can't
listening
understand.
Ma'am, there is no record of listening.
Yes, there is no record of listening. There is no legality.
Legality. There is no
Legality. There is no legality. There is no record. It cannot be saved for a long time. It cannot be used later. Okay. Now, what are the modes of listening? What are the types of listening? When you listen to someone very carefully,
When you listen to your teacher and when you maintain pin drop silence and you try to understand whatever your teacher is saying and you carefully listen and you are able to understand the concept and you are able to learn it from heart, it is attentive listening. Which listening is it?
Attentive listening.
Yes.
Attentive listening.
When we listen to someone carefully, so careful listening is called attentive listening. The second type is when you respond, responsive listening. It comes from the word respond. Right now you are listening to me carefully and at the same time you are responding to whatever I am asking. So you are simultaneously doing attentive listening as well as responsive listening. If you do not understand anything and you tell me that you do not understand, that is responsive listening. And when you tell me at the same time that this is the answer to this thing, it is active listening. So what are we doing right now? Anybody who can tell me?
I'm listening.
Which listening are we practicing during this session?
Active listening, active listening.
Active listening, very good, because you are responding at the same time. Responsive listening is saying what you feel. When I speak an essay or I speak anything and then you give me your views that I did not find you right here or I was not able to understand. Once I have completed and then you speak, that is responsive listening. Once we are communicating, I am speaking, you are listening, you are saying, speaking, I am listening. We are answering to each other's questions. It is active listening. So right now in the class, we are practicing active listening. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Okay, ma'am.
No doubt.
No doubt, ma'am.
Anybody,
doubt,
any
ma'am.
doubt? Attentive
No,
listening
ma'am.
is the listening in which you listen very carefully. Responsive listening is saying what you feel. So it is one person speaks, finishes, and then the second person tells what he or she feels about what the other person has said. Third is active listening, wherein you respond at the same time. Any doubt still here?
No,
ma'am.
No doubt.
Very good. How can you improve your listening skills? Who would like to tell me? Raise your hands. Only 3. Okay, Garima.
When paying attention to what the teacher is or anyone else is saying.
Very good. Yes, Ananya.
And don't interrupt between when someone is saying something.
Very good. This is the key aspect of listening, that you should not interrupt when any person is speaking. It is also a part of discipline and good manners. When somebody is speaking, you listen to them carefully and then say whatever you want to say. Or when 2 people are speaking, you would first let them finish and then you would speak if at all you want to speak. You should not interrupt in between. Yes, now, Prince.
Give positive non-verbal feedback.
What does that mean? Very good that you tried to speak seeing at the slide, but did you understand what it means? It means कि जब कोई हमसे बात कर रहा होता है, हम सिर हिला के, नॉड करके जवाब देते हैं, बोलते कुछ नहीं है पर हाँ हाँ करके, या हम जब फोन पे बात कर रहे होते हैं करके, हाँ करके, इस तरह से हम दूसरे बंदे को बताते रहते हैं बीच बीच में कि हम सुन रहे हैं. तो अगर हम किसी से सामने आमने बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, हम उसको सिर हिला के, अपने आंखों से, इशारों से, जेस्चर्स से, नॉन वर्बल क्या होता है, जेस्चर्स और इशारे। तो जब हम दूसरे बंदे को इशारों से ये एक फीडबैक देते रहते हैं कि हाँ हमें उसकी बात समझ आ रही है, पसंद आ रही है, हम उसकी बात मानते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं गिविंग पॉजिटिव नॉन वर्बल फीडबैक। Yes, yes, Ruhani.
Please respond appropriately to the speaker.
Very good. Yes, Kavya.
We should show that we are listening.
Very good.
By giving him signs of positive.
Yes,
Action.
this is what I was telling, giving positive non-verbal feedback. Okay, सब हो गए ना जिसने मनप्रीत?
Ma'am, do not disturb anything who is speaking.
बेटा anyone, anything तो नॉन लिविंग थिंग होगी, बोलेगा कौन? anyone. टीवी को आप डिस्टर्ब क्या करोगे? टीवी एनीथिंग हो सकता है, पर टीवी को आप इंटरप्ट कैसे करोगे? या आप उसको स्लो करोगे, आवाज म्यूट करोगे, आप बात तो नहीं कर पाते हो, ठीक है ना?
जी,
So how can we improve our listening skills? By paying attention to the speaker. Whatever the speaker is saying, you have to listen carefully. Whatever I am speaking to you, if you listen to it attentively, you will always remember it. You have to show to the other person that you are listening. थोड़ी देर पहले when we started the class, all of you were on mute and I was not able to understand that why you all are not speaking, although you all speak as soon as the class begins. Right? So when I was not able to understand that are you listening or not, it gave me an impression that maybe I am not audible. So I had to ask you again and again. So when there is a communication, you can improve your listening by showing that you are listening, with which the speaker can concentrate on speaking and go in a flow. Otherwise, the speaker has to take breaks to confirm from you that are you able to listen to me? Am I audible? Is my voice clear? Now, as I know that you people are listening, I am communicating with you. My video is not on today. For a special purpose, I have not kept my video on because what we are doing today is listening. So I am speaking, you are listening. You are not able to see me, but I can still feel that you are able to listen to me and you are attentively listening to me. So you have to show that you are listening. That can improve the listening skills as well as the speaking skills of the speaker. Providing feedback. If you provide feedback to the speaker can improve, or the speaker can add things. If you tell me that we do not understand this thing this way, I asked you, is there any doubt? You said, no, there is no doubt. Had anybody told me that, yes, I have a doubt in this particular point, I could not understand active listening, I would have explained it in a different way because I would have received your feedback. So providing feedback also improves your listening skills, as you listen very carefully because you know that after listening to the speaker, you are going to provide feedback. You are going to tell what points you were not able to understand, what helped you understand the topic, or whatever the concern is. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you do not understand anything, ask me there and then. You can raise your hand and you can ask me at the same time. The next point is respond appropriately. Who will explain me this point? All of you, 2-3 of you mentioned this point that we should respond. So responding appropriately, what does it mean? Who wants to tell me?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Gatik, you tell. Kavya, if you will answer all the questions, then what others will do? I know you know the answer.
Respond to the speaker when he or she is speaking.
Very
At
good.
the same time.
Appropriately. Bache, appropriately means correctly or relevant. So, responding to the speaker appropriately means if I am teaching you listening skills today, or if we are talking about listening skills, or if we are learning the topic listening, your questions today should be related to listening. I am teaching listening and you ask me, ma'am, why do we study English, or what is a noun, what is a pronoun? That is not responding appropriately. I am asking you about what do you mean by responding appropriately? Gatik answered me that responding appropriately means this. So his answer was appropriate and his response was appropriate. If he would have told me any story of a movie or anything else, it would not have been response which was appropriate. The next point is we should not interrupt. As I told you earlier, the basic rules of listening and speaking is you do not interrupt when the person is speaking. In all the classes, we have also told you that if you have any question, you should not unmute yourself and start speaking in between. Rather, you should raise your hand. And once we are finished, after that, we will ask you to speak. So in this way, this can be an effective communication. Otherwise, what will happen? If I am speaking right now, and if 3 or 4 of you have a doubt, all of you will start speaking in between, and then we will not be able to move ahead and move further. We will stick on that topic only. So it's not about the class, it's about anything in life. You should never interrupt when someone is speaking. If you want to speak anything, you have to speak it after the speaker has finished. Okay? Irvinde, please don't write on the screen. The next point is visualize what the speaker is saying. Who wants to explain this point to me? Anybody? Only one? Kavya, you don't want to raise your hand? Okay, Kavya, you say. Now I'll give you a second chance because there's no one else.
We should visualize, we should understand what the speaker is saying properly, and we should also give the signs that we are listening and we are understanding.
Okay, Gatik, you tell.
Visualize what the speaker is saying. Think of such more points. What is the speaker is saying.
Okay. Yes, Garima.
Ma'am, listening properly to the speaker and understand his or her thoughts by gestures.
Okay. So now somebody tell me, what do you mean by visualize? Anybody tell me the meaning of visualize? Yes, Garima?
Ma'am, visualize means to see.
Yes, to see or picturization. So it says visualize what the speaker is saying. Gatik rightly said, we should think, we should relate to what the speaker is saying. If I will keep speaking and you will continue to listen to me, but you will not connect things with what I am saying, and you will not connect with anything else, then probably you will end up forgetting everything that the speaker has said. So if I am telling you something that listening can be improved by paying attention. You have to visualize and you have to picturize it in your mind. You have to think about it that yes, how can paying attention improve listening? You have to visualize it, picturize it in your mind. Or if somebody is telling you something that this happened like this and this happened like that, you have to visualize it, right? Next is paying attention to non-verbal cues. Right now, my video is not on. We are only doing listening. But if it would have been a visual communication as well, if I would have been taking an offline class in your classroom, if it would have been a classroom teaching, I would have given you certain expressions while speaking. I must have used some non-verbal gestures. To understand and to pay attention to those also improves your listening. It tells you which thing to give more importance to. And the last point is giving positive non-verbal feedback. So what is giving positive non-verbal feedback? I have already explained to you that इशारों के माध्यम से जब हम सिर्फ हाँ ना करके सिर हिलाते हैं और स्पीकर को बताते हैं कि हमें आपकी बात समझ आ रही है, that is called giving positive non-verbal feedback. Any doubt still here?
Ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now somebody quickly tell me, we have already done all types of communication. Somebody quickly tell me what would be visual communication? Yes, Garima?
Ma'am, to understand the speaker's thoughts, expressions or gestures.
Yes. So visual communication is a communication which uses photographs, pictorial representation, and pictures along with sound. It might or it may not be mandatory that it will use sounds. It can be just a cartoon representing a picture, or it can be a movie. It can be either ways. So visual communication is something that we see. A visual communication which uses pictures, however, does not uses words, does not uses any sentences or anything, and is only a picture, can also be a non-verbal communication because it is explaining us through gestures or expressions. However, a movie, a YouTube channel, social networking, Facebook, everything is visual communication which makes use of words, sounds, and pictures. There is an exception in visual communication when it is a pictorial representation without photographs and only expressions, then it is a non-verbal communication. Rest in all the cases, it is a verbal communication, but what we are going to remember that visual communication is a type of verbal communication. Is that clear? Yes, Rohani, you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Kavya, you want to say something?
Yes.
Yes, say. Huh?
Now you are explaining and presenting a screen, and now you are telling us explain.
But write in the chat box, your voice is breaking. Write in the chat box, your voice is breaking.
Now it is clear.
Anybody has, yes.
I am saying that now you are explaining the concepts and presenting it by slides. Then it is example of which communication?
You tell me which communication is it?
You are
You tell me, according to you, which communication is this?
the visual communication.
Yes, it is visual communication, and visual communication is a type of verbal communication. So it is a verbal communication. I am making use of sounds, I am making use of words, I am making use of pictures. So it is visual communication. You people are doing listening. I have written the things. So we are making use of all the communication except for non-verbal communication, and all the communication that we have used are type of verbal communication. Writing is a type of verbal communication. Listening is a type of verbal communication. Visual communication is a type of verbal communication. So, and I have not put on my video today, and I have not spoken anything with the help of gestures today. So I have not made use of non-verbal communication. All we have been doing is verbal communication. Yes, you are right. If you want to take it as an example for visual communication, it is a visual communication, but it is a type of verbal communication.
Ma'am, in visual communication, we only use this pictorial way.
In visual, yes, the person should be in front of you, or not necessarily pictorial. When you are able to see the other person, when you are in the classroom, you are able to see the teacher.
It could be that you are talking with us. It can be included in this communication.
Yes, I am talking to you is a verbal communication. You are looking at the slides. If I had not opened the slides and you were not able to see me, and we were only listening to each other, and I was speaking, you were listening, you were speaking, I was listening, then it would not have been a visual communication. But since we are making use of pictorial representations, or we are making use of PPT, you are able to see something that I am trying to explain, then it is a visual communication.
दी हम visual communication में sound use करते हैं.
हाँ, बच्चे करते हैं. आप मूवी देखते हो, आप यूट्यूब चलाते हो, आप सोशल नेटवर्किंग करते हो, हम सब में साउंड यूज करते हैं. अब हम यहाँ पे आज क्लास वाइंड अप करेंगे, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्लास में पहले हम एक छोटा सा टेस्ट लेंगे कम्युनिकेशन का, उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक करेंगे. ठीक है बेटा?
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, गुड नाइट एवरीबॉडी. हाँ जी,
मैम मैंने ग्रुप बी में कम्युनिकेशन नहीं की.
मैं करवाऊंगी आपको एक दिन एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लेके. बच्चे अभी आप अकेले हो ना, 2-3 लोग और ऐड हो जाएं जो बाकी के ग्रुप बी से ऐड होने हैं. उसके बाद मैं आप सबकी एक कम्युनिकेशन की क्लास लूंगी, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
ओके,
गुड नाइट मैम.
गुड नाइट. ठीक है
Bye, ma'am.
कमलदीप
Good
जी,
night,
क्लास
ma'am.
फिर वाइंड अप करते हैं.
बाय मैम.
बाय.
Bye, ma'am.
ओके मैम, ठीक है.
ठीक है सर, ओके.
थैंक्स मैम. बाय मैम.
Ma'am, bye.